Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn your pet into Disney Pixar characters. First of all, open up Microsoft Edge. After that, go to bing.com/create and you will be at the Bing image generator. Now make sure that you have a Microsoft account and use that account to log in. Now the next thing that we're going to do is open up Google Chrome and go straight to ChatGPT. We're gonna take the help of ChatGPT to give us some prompts that we can use for the production of our images. Now let's say, give me a prompt for a Disney Pixar movie poster having a cute little puppy on it. After that, just hit enter. So I have gotten this prompt from ChatGPT. So obviously you can customize the prompt right here according to your pet's characteristics. For example, if it's a cat, what is the breed of the cat, how it looks, the color of its eyes, the color of its skin, and stuff like that. I'm just gonna keep it general. So I'm just gonna copy this prompt right here, go back to Microsoft Edge and just paste that here and click on create. So these are the four results that Bing AI has given me. Out of these, I quite like this one right here, as this one is quite good. Now I'm just gonna customize that prompt so to make it more cartoonish like. Just go back to ChatGPT. Can you change it to get like a cartoonish style? Hit enter. So I'm just gonna copy this prompt right here now. Go back to Microsoft Edge, move this prompt and just paste it here and click on create again. Now after all, so here it's given me another set of four photos. Out of these, I quite like this one right here, as this one is more detail oriented. So now we're just gonna make our final tweak. Let's say make this puppy like a white bulldog or something like that. Let's just go back to ChatGPT. Can you customize it to include cute little white puppy? To that, just hit enter. So I'm just gonna copy this prompt right here the ChatGPT has given me. Go back to Microsoft Edge, remove this prompt, paste it right here, and click on create. So here Microsoft Bing has given me another set of four pictures. Out of these, I quite like this one right here. As the poster right here is itself perfect and the dog is also good looking and cute. Download the picture, you can just download it from here. So that was pretty much it. And don't forget that you can fully customize the prompt according to your pet's characteristics, and you can also change the background of the poster. Like let's say you want your characters to stand in Paris in front of the Eiffel Tower, you can add that to your prompt as well. Want it to be standing in the Times Square in New York, you can do that as well. So just make sure to play around with your prompt. So that's pretty much it, and that's how you can turn your pet into Disney Pixar characters. Hope you guys liked it. Thanks for watching. Bye.